Let us now take a look at a angakaryam which takes place when the affix ktva is added to the verbal root ohaktyage. Very simple sutram. Sutram is 7443 which says jahateshcha ktvi. Now recall that we have studied the sutram 7442 which says dodhater hihi. Anuriti of hihi comes down from that sutram into this sutram 7443. The meaning of the sutram is very simple. When followed by the affix ktva, verbal root ha or haktyage takes a substitution hi. In this sutram, the term ktvi is saptami ekavachanantam of ktva. Here the sutram 64140 ato dhatoho has been applied. Even though ktva is not a dhatu, still the sutram ato dhatoho has been used. We have to justify that by doing yoga vibhaga ataha. So what has happened here is that we have ktva plus the saptami ekavachana pratyaya which is gni anubandha lopaha lashakvatadhyate tasya lopaha. So we get ktva plus e, and now the angam ktva gets the vasanya by yachibham 1418. And now the sutram 64140 comes and removes the ending akaraha of ktva, and so we get ktva e which is ktvi. So ktvi is saptami ekvachanam of ktva. One more thing to remember here is that Panini says jahatehe. So he's specifically referring to this verbal root only, ohatyage, and not any other verbal root with the form ha. So this sutram applies to only one verbal root which is ohatyage. We can take examples from the Gita itself, verse 33 from chapter 2. Tata swadharmam kirtincha hitva papam avapsyasi. So having forsaken, having abandoned fame and your own dharma, you will accumulate or obtain sin. So there are two actions, the action of abandoning and the action of obtaining, done by the same doer, which is you. So therefore the verbal root denoting the earlier action takes the affix ktva by the sutram 3421 saman kartrikayaho purvakale. So you have ha plus ktva. Remove the letter ka which gets the sanya valashakvatadhyate tasya lopaha. Now 7 to 10 eka chopadeshe nudatat stops the augment it, which would have been done by 7 to 35. So the pratyaya ktva does not take the augment it here. And now we apply this sutram 7443 because we do have a angam consisting of the verbal root ha or haktyage is followed by the affix ktva. So therefore we replace the angam by hi. Now remember, by anekachis sarvasya 1155, since the substitution hi has more than one letter, therefore the entire angam ha is replaced by hi and we get the form hitva. Now 115 kiniticha stops any gunadesha which may have been done by 7384 sarvadhatkartadhatkayoho. Now hitva gets the pratipadika sanya by krittadita samasascha 1246 and the avya sanya by 1140 ktva to sun kasanaha.